to celebrate Watcher getting 500,000 subscribers. That's 500,000 people. I decided to go big for a change, and I made this newspaper with congratulations on 500k subs. I made this newspaper for them. I don't know why, but ever since they announced that Watcher would be a thing, I've got this newspaper kind of vibes with every work that I've made for them. So I thought, you know what? Now that it's 500,000 people that subscribe to their channel, I might as well make a real newspaper for once. So I got this weird thing in the mail today, and would you look at that? It's Watcher News, because they hit 500,000 subscribers, and honestly, I am so happy for them. And yeah, I'm very glad that I get to join this with them. So enjoy the speed paint, everybody.
Genuinely scared. I am fucking this up. I've put effort into this. But I know that the moment I pop off the cap of my fineliner, chances are 100%. Hey, whatever.
500k subs after the launch at January 10th, more than 12 weeks ago. Owners Brian Bergara, Stephen Lim, and HEMA can celebrate 500,000 subscribers. Newspaper made by Ludussy. In other news, more people inside with all the good Watcher content. Hidden Narratives is Podcast of the Year 2020. Am I too soon? Who Let the Dogs Out is back in the top 40. And Voldo is still broke as fuck. Fans are still hoping for a D&D Beyond sponsorship.